because now fire about how you were sideline. Other people are moving to me.
Listen, I told you from the beginning. If you are you know me, and you know me too well. Somebody like me, I get up in the morning, adopt a strategy to save a whole political party from a whole mess when the economy is bashing the whole government. I'm saying this on record. Economy Ghana force come there. Obi antie de eka. Then makofa AirBus asemaba. Strategically, we see me there. Muna matimia carry AirBus assembly. I'm just trying to tell you that strategy is very key in politics. Then the whole NDC machinery is after me. Only one person. Why do you think they are also always thinking? You see, as a political party, you need to be strategic. Now we are campaign elections. Now we'll see. You think it's all about bantering Sammy Gyamfi on radio and TV will win you an election. You'll be making a terrible